hit the bottom. Welcome to another brand new video, guys. This is AJ390, also riding the Versys 650, and we are running a little late actually. So the plan is it is 4:40 in the morning, a nice Sunday morning. The winters are gone. The summers are here, and the dog doesn't like me, neither the bike. So we are heading out on a small trail ride. I'm really not sure where exactly this place is. So it's pretty close by. It's about 80 kilometers from home. So let's head to the meeting point now. I am meeting one of the riders just nearby, and I'm late by almost 10 minutes. So there's nothing much to show you guys right now as it's pretty dark, but I can show you guys something here. In 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, color change. Anyways, I will check in a bit. Bro, sorry.
No issues, man. Farid is waiting already.
Okay, chalo, let's go. Where is he?
Sapphire.
Okay, chalo. So right now we have a Duke 390, a Himalayan, and my Green Lantern, which is the worstest bike, the Versys 650. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. Want to have some tea, coffee, chai. Want to have some chai. Very bad, very hungry. बहुत वेट किया है, but people have not turned up, so we are actually proceeding a little towards our destination. And let's see, man, let's see how this ride turns out. Getting used to the bike, you know, because such a heavy bike, and for me to dip in and dip out riding a 390, the 250, the CBR, they're slightly on a different category when it comes to you know, what weight, handling, ride dynamics. But so far the Versys has not given me any kind of difficulty in riding it, apart from me tiptoeing a little bit, because thanks to my height. Not too tall, bruh. Alright, so we have a full pack now. We have one Jigsaw, one Himalayan, GoPro Man, and a 390 and a Himalayan. So we are all set to rock and roll. Oh yeah, how can I forget? There's also a Vespa. So I guess the guy on the Vespa also rides a Mojo. I'm really not sure, guys. So yeah, finally I'm actually aware of the location. It's called Muninagara Dam. So we were supposed to go there for sunrise, but doesn't look like we'll actually make it there. So let's see. This is more like the backside of Bangalore, if I'm not wrong, guys. Pretty neat and sweet place. So we have all the riders up ahead. Really not sure if you guys can we've hardly done about 45 kilometers. Woo! So that's the entire clan right there. So if you look at biking, I mean, we gel with literally everybody. So we have scooters, we have good bikes, we have ADV bikes, but still we all ride together, man. That's the actual term for biking brotherhood. Oh yeah, that definitely feels good. Definitely feels good, getting used to it. Dipping in and dipping out on a tall bike is really not something you should try, but the Versys can actually do it. One of the main reasons being because it has a 17-inch front and a 17-inch rear, whereas most of the other bikes get a 19 and a 21. So obviously on the Tiger you can't do such things. But yeah, man, just getting a hang of the bike slowly and really loving it. I guess I put my money on the right bike. What I'm also noticing is, in such kind of curves, you really don't have to muscle the bike. It might look daunting, it might look big, but say even with one hand, I mean, recommended not to do it, but it just turns. So you just point the direction, put in a little bit of body weight, and the Versys takes you there. Taking the Versys off-road. Don't fall, Ajit. You have to sell your kidneys. Don't fall. Not bad, pretty confident till now. Alright, going strong, go. Okay, this is crazy. Not bad, doable. Left, huh? Okay. Fucking heavy, man. So only when you're on slow speeds like this, you really feel the weight. But yeah, doable. Oof. Had a small second there. The front just washed off. Hit the bottom. Alright, so there what you saw was quite a small clip of trail riding and to this beautiful place over here. So this is off Muninagara. From the police station you take a small deviation towards the right, and that's where you can find this place. It's a really nice place. I mean, please don't come here and litter this place. It's a very beautiful place. So this is the complete view what you have in my backdrop. So there's a crowd behind there. Guys, hi. One shout. Okay, that sounded more like a howl. Alright, so when we started early in the morning, we had a couple of bikes, but right now we have a Duke 200, we have a Himalayan 390, we also have a Vespa and the Pulsar. So far pretty good. And once we're going back, we're taking a slightly different route, so let's see where exactly that leads us to. But for now, this is the view you guys can enjoy. Here are a few shots. all right. This is a very nice place, and as of now I'm slightly nervous because I gotta go down this small kind of a cliff, or what do you call it, man? Not sure. Go, you go. All right. It's a little scary because in that kind of a drop, if you end up dropping the bike, my legs would get smashed. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. Oof. That was heavy, man. Right, so the plan right now is to हम अभी नाश्ता करेंगे और after that we head home. Really nice place. Right, back to concrete jungle, my dear friends, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. It was a brilliant ride, no problems at all, How can a bike be so comfortable? Seriously. So once again, to wrap it up, guys, we had been to Muninagara Dam. It's a wonderful place, and it's a little off Bangalore road, and you'll have to go through the forest stretch. So have a look at the description box below. I have attached the location for you guys, so you can go there, have some fun. I would suggest you guys go there in the early morning between 6 and 8, because later during the day and the evening it's going to get really hot, and like you guys just saw, there's absolutely no shade or anything, but it's a really nice place if you want to chill out. So also really excited, and thanks to Arun Kumar GoPro man for giving some of the drone footages. It was really good. I think that's where my money should go next. Uncle, leave me way, uncle. Alright, so that's said and done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It's been a pleasure riding this big fella today, and I'm super duper lazy and sleepy. So I'm gonna crash now, and maybe the vlog will be up maybe tomorrow or the day after or in a couple of days. But until then, you guys ride hard, ride safe. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.